Good morning, dear students. This is Nisha Dheer. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Dear students, open your book of GK. Open page number 8, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Animal Words. In this lesson, we are going to learn about animals. Our earth is the home of animals. For many kind of animals, some animals are big and some are small. Most animals have 4 legs to walk on the land. We see many kind of animals around us. Some animals live in the jungle and are called wild animals. Some animals live in the farms. They are known as the domestic animals. And some animals live on the land and some animals live in the water. So let's start reading. Animals have different body structure depending on where they live. तो animals की बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो डिफरेंट होती है उनके जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग. सम एनिमल्स लिव ऑन लैंड एंड सम लिव इन द वाटर. तो सम जो एनिमल्स हैं वो लैंड पे रहते हैं और सम इन वाटर. वेयर डू दीज एनिमल्स लिव ऑन लैंड और इन वाटर. टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट the animals that live on land and live in the water. So there are 2 type of animals. One is animals live on land and animals live in water. And the first picture is lion. So where do lion live? तो lion कहाँ पे रहता है? ये जंगल में रहता है और ये लैंड पे रहता है. तो लायन इज़ अ लैंड एनिमल. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ मंकी. मंकी इज़ ऑल्सो अ लैंड एनिमल. नेक्स्ट इज़ फिश. फिश लिव इन वाटर. सो फिश इज़ अ वाटर एनिमल. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज़ अ ऑक्टोपस. ऑक्टोपस ऑल्सो लिव इन वाटर. सो ऑक्टोपस इज़ अ वाटर एनिमल. नेक्स्ट इज़ ज़ेब्रा. Zebra live on land, so zebra is a land animal. Next picture is whale. Whale live in water, so whale is a water animal. Next picture is deer. Deer also live on land, so deer is a land animal. Next is rat. Rat also live on the land, so rat is a land animal. Here we have Phillips land animals. So we will write here the name of land animals. First one is lion, monkey, rat, zebra, deer. Water animals, write the name of water animals: octopus, fish, whale. Do this work on your book. I think the concept is clear that the animals live on land are known as land animals and the animals live in water are known as the water animal. Now let us discuss the written assignment. This is your 4th written assignment. And the first question is write the name of water animals. And the answer is fish, whale, octopus, shark, seahorse. So these are the water animals. Next question is write the name of land animals. Answer is lion, monkey, rat, zebra and deer. So do this work on your fair notebook. Now I will explain you the next chapter, and the name of the chapter is Some Strange Animals. Here we learn about the strange animals. How much do you know about animals? Give Given below are pictures of some strange animals. Write their names in the blank space given with the clue. तो यहाँ पे आपको सम स्ट्रेंज एनिमल्स की पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं, उसके साथ में आपको क्लू दिए गए हैं, तो आपने उसका नेम लिखना है. एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज़, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर, अ बर्ड विच डांसेस व्हेन इट रेन्स. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. Which word is this? Yes, this is peacock. So write here peacock. Now look at the second picture. Which animal is this? An animal which fights and kills the snakes. So name of this animal is mongoose. Next is an animal that looks like a horse. It has strips on its body. तो ये एनिमल है जो हॉर्स की तरह दिखता है और इसकी बॉडी पे स्ट्रिप्स होते हैं. तो इसका नेम क्या होता है? यस, व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल? ज़ेब्रा. सो राइट हियर ज़ेब्रा, ZEBRA, ज़ेब्रा. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. विच एनिमल इज दिस? An animal which carries its baby in its pouch. तो ये जो एनिमल होता है, ये इसके एक टमी पे एक पाउच बना हुआ होता है, उसमें ये अपने बेबी को कैरी करता है. तो व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल? यस, कैंगरू. KANGAROO, कैंगरू. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. विच एनिमल इज दिस? दिस एनिमल इज फाउंड in the polar regions. The name of this animal is polar bear. And the next one is, look at this picture. Which animal is this? It is a very big animal and has a horn on its nose. तो ये बहुत ही बिग एनिमल होता है और इसके नोज़ के ऊपर हॉर्न बना हुआ होता है. तो व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल? यस, राइनोसॉर्स. RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. So do this work on your book. Now I will explain you the next chapter. Animal products. Animals help us in many ways. We get many things from them. तो animals हमारी बहुत तरह से हेल्प करते हैं और हमें बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो एनिमल से मिलते हैं. एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स इज एनी मटीरियल प्रोवाइड फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ एनिमल्स. वी कैन गेट मैनी फूड प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. कैन यू थिंक ऑफ सम? यस, एग्जाम्पल्स: eggs, milk, meat, fish, butter. All these come from animals. Let us see which animals give these products. Cow. What we get from the cow? We get milk from the cow. So write here number 1. Next is hen. Hen gives us eggs. So write here number 2. Next is bee. Bee gives us honey. So write here number 3. Sheep. What we get from the sheep? We get wool from the sheep. So write here number 4. Silkworm. Write here number 5. Next one is fish. What we get from the fish? We get meat from the fish. So write here number 6. So these are the products we get from the animals. So do this work on your book. Thank you. Have a nice day.